Forget New York. Forget London. The real battle for global urban supremacy isn't happening in the West anymore, it's happening right now in Asia. In one corner, we have Shanghai, the sophisticated financial titan, and then Paris of the East. In the other, Shenzhen, the hardware capital of the world and a city that didn't even exist as a metropolis 40 years ago. It's 2026, and these two titans are locked in an epic struggle to define what a future city actually looks like. One is building the world's most advanced corporate R&D, while the other is perfecting the speed of innovation itself. But which one is truly shaping our tomorrow? Today, we're diving deep into their infrastructure, tech ecosystems, and daily life to uncover the undeniable leader of the future. Let's start with the Silicon Valley of hardware, Shenzhen. If you have an idea for a physical product in 2026, this is where you come. Why? Because of Shenzhen Speed. In this city, the transition from a prototype to a finished product doesn't take months, it takes weeks, or even days. Shenzhen has evolved from a manufacturing hub into a massive startup incubator. Walk through the Nanshan district, and you're surrounded by the giants of today and tomorrow. This is the home of DJI, which controls the global drone market, and Tencent, the architect of China's digital life. But the real magic is in the thousands of smaller labs specializing in advanced robotics and AI. In 2026, Shenzhen streets are a living laboratory. You'll see autonomous delivery bots navigating sidewalks and humanoid robots assisting in retail stores. It's a city that feels like it's being built in real time by the people living in it. If innovation is defined by agility and hardware, Shenzhen is king. Now, look north to Shanghai. While Shenzhen is about the hustle and startups, Shanghai is about scale and sophistication. Shanghai doesn't just build gadgets, it builds the foundations of modern civilization. As we move through 2026, Shanghai has solidified its lead in three critical sectors: biotech, semiconductors, and electric vehicles. The Zhongjiang High-Tech Park is now one of the world's most dense concentrations of pharmaceutical R&D. While Shenzhen builds the drones, Shanghai is building the chips that power them and the life-saving medicine of the future. And then there's the EV revolution. With the massive success of the Tesla Gigafactory and domestic giants like NIO and IM Motors headquartered here, Shanghai has become the global capital of smart mobility. It's a more polished, corporate version of the future, one backed by the world's largest banks and a highly regulated, high-end lifestyle. It's the city of choice for global giants who need stability and massive research power. A city is nothing without its people. The battle for talent in 2026 is fierce. Shanghai remains the top choice for the sophisticated talent. It draws in the top minds from Harvard, Oxford, and returning Chinese diaspora who want a global, cosmopolitan lifestyle. It's a city of luxury, fine dining, and international schools. Shenzhen, however, is the magnet for the dreamers and the makers. It attracts the young engineers and the 22-year-old entrepreneurs who want to get their hands dirty. The vibe in Shenzhen is younger, grittier, and more intense. Interestingly, in 2026, we are seeing a massive wave of sea turtles, Chinese students returning from abroad, choosing Shenzhen for its lack of traditional hierarchy. In Shenzhen, it doesn't matter who your father is, it only matters what you can build. But what is it like to actually live in the future? In both cities, cash is a relic of the past. Everything, from a Tesla rideshare to a street food pancake, is handled via facial recognition or palm scanning payments. Shanghai's infrastructure is a masterclass in efficiency. Its metro system is the longest in the world, and in 2026, it is almost entirely automated. But Shenzhen is catching up with its smart city of brain, a centralized AI that optimizes traffic flow and energy consumption in real time. However, there is a difference in soul. Shanghai feels like a global capital that has been a leader for a century. Shenzhen feels like a sci-fi movie that is still being written. One offers the best of the new world order, while the other offers a glimpse into a world we haven't even imagined yet. So, who wins the battle for Asia's ultimate future city? If you want global finance, biotech, and a sophisticated lifestyle, Shanghai is your winner. But if you want to be at the bleeding edge of robotics, hardware, and raw, unfiltered innovation, Shenzhen is the place to be. The truth is, these two cities don't just compete, they complement each other. Together, they are shifting the center of gravity of the entire planet toward the east. But we want to hear from you. If you had to move to the future today, would you choose the polished streets of Shanghai or the high-tech chaos of Shenzhen? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Hello City channel for more battles between the world's greatest metropolises. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.